Welcome. Today I will guide you through the process of building your own chatbot using the OpenAI Python library within a Docker container. Firstly, let's create our Python script. In this script, we will define our OpenAPI key, specify the model, and set the role that our bot will assume. Once our Python script is ready, the next step involves containerizing our essential code using Docker. We will create 3 key files for this purpose. First, let's create our Docker file. This essential file is employed to create our base image. In this case, we've opted for Ubuntu as our operating system for the image. Within the Docker file, we install Python along with all the necessary packages, including pip and the OpenAI library. Next, we create a .env file where we securely store our OpenAI key as an environment variable. This step is crucial for authenticating our chatbot script against OpenAI services. And finally, we create our Docker compose.yml file. This file is responsible for creating our Docker container using the Docker file we created previously. Once we have our 3 files ready, we need to run the necessary commands to set everything up. Firstly, execute the command to create our image using the Docker file. Secondly, use the command to create the container utilizing our Docker compose.yml file. With both the image and our container prepared, it's time to run and test our setup. The command docker build ti1 is used to build a Docker image. Here, T specifies the name and optionally a tag in the name tag format. In this case, the image is tagged as I1. The at the end denotes the build context, indicating that the Docker file and any necessary files for building the image are located in the current directory. Next, we confirm the successful creation of our image by running the command docker images. Once our image is ready, it's time to build our container. For this, we execute the following command, docker compose run chatbot python 3 chatbot.py. In summary, this command creates and runs a temporary container based on the chatbot service defined in our docker compose configuration. It executes the chatbot.py Python script within the container and removes the container once the command is completed. I hope this video helps you. I will be posting the source code and all the files used in this container. If you have any questions or recommendations, they are welcomed. Thanks for watching.